Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lesson we are going to consider HTML comments and HTML character entities. So in order to work with comments in HTML, very simple. You start with this, left arrow, and then you have this exclamation mark, and then two dashes like that, and then the comments goes down, then again two hyphen, and then the arrow. So here I can say, for example, testing HTML comments. So comments are these are just data or text that you add on your code, just to add more description of the thing that or of the element that you are using. For example, I could just say here, I could add a comment here and say, let's say for example, this is bolded text, just to help the developer or someone who will be going through my code to understand the nature of my code and how the code works. So it just add more description to your code without necessarily appearing on the web page that you have displayed. So if I go to the web page and I do a refresh here, the data will remain the same, but on the code now at least I have some more description over the same. And then now we have character entities. For example, now in HTML, sometimes you might want to do or add things like less than, greater than, all those things. So for example, I might want to say 5 is less than, let me use a paragraph here, and say 5 is less than 12, and I want to use a less than sign. So one of the easiest way I can do this is by using, the and sign, and then using this initial less than, that is less than. Yeah, you see it pops up. We can have greater than, all those. So if now I go to the browser and I do a refresh, as you can see now we have the less than sign appear there. I can also achieve the same result by using this format whereby I can say hashtag, and then there is a specific code for this. I believe it is 60. Yeah, 60. Let's try this and see, 60 or 62. I believe 60. Yeah, it's 60. And then if I want greater than, I can also say maybe, let me just copy this, go down here. I can say greater than, and now greater than should be 62. Now I can say 15 is greater than 12. 15 is greater than 12. I go to the browser, I do a refresh, and now if I scroll down, we have 15 is greater than 12. Again, I can have something like ampersand, the ampersand that you want to use. I can say, let us use a paragraph here, and let us say Kevin. I want to add an ampersand. I can say Kevin ampersand and Kevin and people, something damn is. And then if I go back here, I do a refresh, we scroll down, you see Kevin and people. And if I go back, I can use hashtag 38. I believe that is the code for ampersand. So if I can go there and just refresh this, it will do the same thing. So there are a number of these character entities that you can use to achieve the result that you want. And also, if I just type here, as you can see, quite a number here that you can use to achieve your result. So you can check them out, and then you can be able to apply and see how to use them. So I believe this is quite enough to have a refresher on HTML, and let us now, from the next module, let us dive in and start working with CSS, which is our main focus on this course.